envelope up front.
Yeah.
Come here, baby. This is what I do to all the little kids. Oh, God bless you. Achoo.
A red vine sneeze on Aunt Stephie. She loved it. You need to go up in the chair now and look at her.
Hi.
Get Aunt Stephie.
Mwah.
Gentle. No, you can't touch that. That's Aunt Stephie's.
Sharp.
It's like the
Aunt
hot.
Steffi's tool. It's sharp.
Yes.
Tool. It's a tool.
It's a tool. Yes.
It's a tool. It's a tool.
Yeah.
It's Aunt
Yes.
Steffi's tool. I tell all my kids, only Aunt Stephie gets to do this. Okay?
Yeah.
So what I'm doing is creating just a little bit of support for the long, a little bit of shorter
Okay,
for the
perfect.
long. And let's see, I might have gotten a little bit of that. Yeah. Hey, are you checking out yourself in the mirror?
Yes.
You're like, of course I am.
It makes me laugh, Aunt Stephie.
Yes.
She's like, I don't have a mirror this big at home. Gentle. Gentle, baby. Good boy. Gentle for Aunt Stephie.
Diego. Okay. Can I see your face?
Look
Can
at
I
Aunt
see your
Stephie.
smile?
No, that's for me. Look at
Diego,
Mom.
can I see your smile? Can I see your smile? Heck with you and cutting the hair, huh? Let's talk. Let's talk about smiling. You like that? Danielle gave that to me. It's a heart.
Yeah.
Is it pretty?
Yeah.